Welcome, operation and maintenance teams, to another informative video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the world of scheduled maintenance. In the next few minutes, you'll learn about the crucial role that scheduled maintenance plays in ensuring the efficient running of your operations. We'll be unpacking this concept, contrasting it with planned maintenance, and providing real-world examples to illustrate its importance. Buckle up as we explore how this process can help increase personnel utilization, extend asset life expectancy, and even enhance your work culture. Let's dive right into the world of scheduled maintenance. This is a process that involves any repair and service work performed within a set time frame. It's a detailed plan of when and by whom certain maintenance tasks are carried out. Scheduled maintenance can occur at repeating intervals or in response to a work request. Imagine this: you're changing an air filter every March and September, or conducting a performance inspection at the start of each year. This kind of maintenance can also be used to fulfill a work order. Once a problem is discovered, a maintenance scheduler teams up with a maintenance planner to resolve the issue. A time is then scheduled to conduct necessary repairs. Scheduled maintenance is not just about timing, it's also about who performs the tasks. The time it takes for the job to be completed is compared with available work hours, which are factored into the schedule. The key here is to ensure that those who are supposed to perform a given task are available to do so. Without coordinating a set time with maintenance workers and contractors, there's no guarantee that necessary work will be completed on time, which can damage schedule compliance. Now, you might be wondering about the difference between scheduled maintenance and planned maintenance. Well, they're often lumped together, but they're actually separate endeavors. Planned maintenance deals with the processes and materials required to successfully complete needed work, whereas scheduled maintenance handles who performs the work and when. The two go hand in hand, and they rely on one another to ensure maintenance tasks are completed efficiently. One of the main goals of scheduled maintenance is to decrease downtime. It takes planned maintenance and determines when it should be conducted based on priority, available personnel, the systems requiring maintenance, and system locations. If multiple tasks are needed for a single piece of equipment, those are scheduled together. Scheduled maintenance tasks, like routine inspections, help detect minor problems before they develop into system failures. By sticking to a regular, well-designed maintenance schedule, maintenance technicians can detect problems early. This prevents lengthy, unscheduled downtime and allows repair work to be conducted at optimal times. If these downtimes ever do occur, they're corrected without unnecessary delays. In short, when repairs are necessary, careful maintenance scheduling ensures they occur at a time that causes minimal disruption to the company's operations. Let's take a real-world example. Most facilities have a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, or HVAC, running throughout their buildings. This system requires regular inspections and tune-ups to keep running at optimum efficiency. Much of the work is fairly simple, like keeping registers clean and replacing air filters at regular intervals. Scheduled maintenance ensures those tasks are handled at specific times. When creating the schedule, either the maintenance planner or a designated scheduler determines when their technicians are available. If they're using the services of a third-party HVAC specialist, the specialist's availability is also taken into account. Scheduling can be complicated by additional work orders. For instance, if a piece of equipment near the facility's heating system needs repairs, that work should be scheduled at a time either before or after the HVAC inspection, depending on priority. If the two tasks are scheduled for the same block of time, one could impede the other, resulting in wasted hours and delayed maintenance work. Scheduled maintenance can prevent future HVAC breakdowns. Suppose while performing the HVAC inspection, the assigned personnel discovers a faulty blower fan. A work order is created, and the repairs are then scheduled for a time in the near future before the issue causes further damage to the unit. So what are the benefits of scheduled maintenance? Well, there are quite a few. 1. Higher personnel utilization since maintenance workers spend more time working. 2. Increased asset life expectancy as breakdowns are prevented. 3. Lower maintenance costs as time is utilized efficiently and costly problems are prevented. 4. Culture of proactive efficiency as personnel perform needed tasks. 5. Reduced liability as assets are kept in safe working condition. The improved work culture, high cost savings on asset maintenance, and increased workplace safety all speak for the efficacy of scheduled maintenance, especially when it's handled properly. Scheduled maintenance is facilitated by the use of CMMS software and careful coordination with maintenance planning, both of which are well worth the investments of time and resources. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of scheduled maintenance, its role in efficient operations, and how it contrasts with planned maintenance. Remember, scheduled maintenance is a crucial aspect of successful operations, helping to increase personnel utilization, extend asset life expectancy, and enhance work culture. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and our services, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you optimize your maintenance and operations.